in north-central Illinois, northeastern Mountain County and west-central Illinois, northeastern Haswell County in central Illinois, northern Peoria County in central Illinois, until 9 p.m. At 8:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rome, 10 miles north of Peoria, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusty and quarter-size winds. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.